Hello, my dear, beautiful, powerful beings. How are you today? I thought I'd do a little prayer in regards to money and a little healing for you. Hopefully, I'll make this short and simple. But I ask Creator God of all that is, Jesus and Mother Mary, the divine great archangels, Palo Santo, to create a sacred space for us all. And whatever comes through today is what needs to come through. And it's for you to be able to receive more money, make more money, have more money, spend more money with ease, grace, joy, and delight. So I just had somebody text me today and he said, guess what, Johnna? I just found $20 on the floor today. And I was like, oh my gosh, that is amazing. And then he found $120 cash on the ground a few weeks ago. So we say this prayer often together. So here it is. It's super simple. Money, money, come to me in ways I can and cannot see. And then anything that is not allowing all the money to come to me and abandonment be 100% destroyed, released, and undone from the entirety of my being, both inside and outside of my energy fields, through all time, space, and beyond, through all realms, all levels, all lifetimes, and all dimensions now. And I say thank you. We say thank you. So we'll do this a few times. Money, money, come to me in ways I can and cannot see. Thank you. And anything not allowing all the money in the world to come to me with abandonment be 100% uncreated, canceled, and cleared from the entirety of my being, both inside and outside of my energy fields, through all time, space, and beyond, throughout all realms, all levels, all lifetimes, and all dimensions, so that I may receive and have all the money that I desire and more than I know what to do with. Okay, money, money, come to me in ways I can and cannot see. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And anything that has not been allowing all the money to come to me with ease, grace, joy, and delight, I demand be canceled and cleared and uncreated and undone from the entirety of my consciousness, mentally, physically, spiritually, emotionally, my unconscious, subconscious, cellular memory, personality memory bank, soul memory bank be 100% uncreated, dissolved, canceled, and cleared from the beginning of time, from all realms, all levels, all lifetimes, and all dimensions now. And I say thank you, thank you, thank you for the avalanches of money in my bank account, in my savings account, and in my life. And I am open to receive, 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 receive. And I am worthy of receiving money, making money, having money, spending money, enjoying money, loving money, and loving everything that I can do and buy with money, as I am a worthy child of God, child of the light, a child of fortune. And anything that has not been allowing that to happen, I demand be eradicated, released, and dissolved from the entirety of my being, both inside and outside of my energy fields, through all time, space, and beyond, through every cell and fiber of my being, including my mind, unconscious mind, subconscious mind, personality memory bank, subpersonalities, fields and fields of my relationships, and my containers as well. And I demand to receive all the money there is with abandonment for me to use with ease and grace and comfort and confidence and joy, knowing that there is an infinite supply and I am a creator of all that is, and I have the power to create money. I have the power to create anything. In fact, I am money. I am money. I love money. I'm grateful for all the money that there is in my bank account, in my hands, that I can spend, that I can use, that I can help other people with, that I can use for myself, to buy myself all the things to help my life become more comfortable, more at ease, fun, wonderful. I deserve, you deserve to have the most amazing, beautiful life, one where you thrive. Say yes, yes, yes. What would you like to experience with money? Think about that. Bring that into your awareness. What would you like to experience with money? Clothes, a home, what furniture, car, travel, time with friends, family, vacations. What would you like to experience with the money and the flow of money flowing to you, through you, and in your life and in your hands? Think about it, bring it into your awareness, all of it, and think about it as if you already have it now. How much money is in your bank account? How much money is in your savings account? What is your portfolio worth? Do you have a real estate portfolio? Stocks, bonds, what do you have? Gold, silver, jewelry? Think about that. What do you have? And we're thinking about it as if it's right here, right now, and your body is saying yes, and your mind is saying yes, and your heart is saying yes, your personality is saying yes. All of you is saying yes, yes. It is time. Yes. And now say, money, money, come to me in ways I can and cannot see. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I am a child of God, a child of the light, a child of fortune. I am money. And I love receiving money, making money, having money. Think about how much money you would like to receive every single month with ease, grace, joy, and glory, consistently and constantly. 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 100,000, a million. How much money do you feel comfortable receiving consistently and constantly every single month? Yeah. Bring it into your awareness. Say yes, yes, yes. I am money, and I'm worthy of receiving money, making money, having money. I'm worthy of feeling comfortable and confident with money. I'm so grateful. So I'm asking for healing today, that anything that has not been allowing that to happen be 100% canceled, cleared, and 100% released from the entirety of my being, both inside and outside of my energy fields, through all time, space, and beyond, throughout all realms, all levels, all lifetimes, and all dimensions, and from my personality memory bank, from my body. My body loves money. My body loves money and feels comfortable receiving money, all the money that I can use, that I can spend, that I can help others, that I can help myself to live the most extraordinary life. Again, one that I love. Deep breath in. I'm going to ask that if there are any hexes, curses, or binding spells that we can release today, be 100% completely dissolved and released for you. We say thank you. Any limiting beliefs around money that you have taken on from anyone from the beginning of time, I'm asking that those be 100% completely undone, canceled, cleared, eliminated, and eradicated from the entirety of your being. Again, both inside and outside of your energy field, so all time, space, and beyond, through all realms, all levels, all lifetimes, all dimensions, now and forever. Money, money, come to me in ways I can and cannot see. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We say thank you, thank you, thank you. And then we call back all of our energy and all of our power from money. So we'll do that now. I, and say your name, am calling back all of my energy and all of my power from money. I will no longer allow money to have power over me. I have power over money, for I am a divine child of God, of the light, and I am here to receive, and I'm open to receive, receive, receive with ease, grace, joy, and delight. And I say thank you. Okay, everybody, promise me you're going to say it every day, use it every day. Start saying thank you, thank you, thank you for all the money that you desire, that you deserve, and that you require to live a life that you love and thrive. And if you'd like to join me for one of my free classes, the dates will be below, or I have a 33-day Art of Receiving Quantum Jumping Manifestation Container class starting the 1st of February. And I would love to meet you in person and help you dive deep to really feel able, comfortable, confident, actually creating a life that you desire. And we're going to work on all kinds of things: your happiness, your peace, your joy, your health, your vitality, your sleep, and you feeling comfortable, confident, and being unfuckable with. So if you'd like to join me, quantum jumping manifestation class, a 33-day art of receiving. Also, the self-study program is on sale for half off right now for a limited time. And what else can I say about that? They're healing videos and it's a wonderful program, but I'd also love to meet you in person. So one last time, money, come to me in ways I can and cannot see. And I say, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm open to receive, and say thank you to yourself, and thank you to the earth, and thank you everyone, everywhere, and sending you love, light, peace, joy,